Hey everyone! You're driving smoothly but suddenly your transmission refuses to shift. No response from the shifter, or maybe your car is stuck in one gear. You scan the system and find P0919. This code relates to the gate select position circuit, a critical part of your vehicle's transmission system. In this video, I'll explain what causes this issue, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0919? DTC P0919 stands for Gate Select Position Circuit Malfunction. The Gate Select Position sensor helps the transmission module know exactly which gear the vehicle is in. If the circuit malfunctions, the transmission control system may get confused, causing shifting issues or even complete failure. Common symptoms of P0919: hard or delayed shifting. Car stuck in one gear, limp mode, transmission warning light on. Check engine light activated. Shifter not responding properly. Sensor and component location. Very important. Gate select position sensor. Location. Typically mounted inside the transmission, near the shift linkage. In some vehicles, it's attached to the side of the transmission housing. Transmission Control Module TCM. Location. Usually found under the dashboard near the battery or inside the transmission casing. Wiring harness and connectors. Location. Runs between the gate select position sensor and the TCM. Routed along the transmission housing and under the vehicle. Check your vehicle's repair manual for exact locations. What causes P0919? Faulty gate select position sensor. The sensor isn't reading gear positions correctly. Broken or corroded wiring. Wires connecting the sensor to the TCM might be damaged. Faulty transmission control module TCM, sending incorrect signals to the transmission. Blown fuse or damaged relay. Power loss to the gate select position circuit. Mechanical issues in the shift mechanism. Internal damage affecting gear selection. How to fix P0919. Step 1. Check wiring and connectors. Inspect for frayed or loose wires. Step 2. Test the gate select position sensor. Use a multimeter or scan tool. Step 3. Inspect the transmission control module TCM. Scan for additional error codes. Step 4. Replace any faulty fuses or relays. Ensure proper power supply. Step 5. Check for mechanical damage in the shift mechanism. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive the vehicle. Final words. Ignoring P0919 can lead to severe transmission failure. Fixing it early can save you thousands in repairs. For more OBD-II error codes, check out these videos. P0704, clutch switch input. Circuit malfunction. P0705, transmission range sensor circuit malfunction. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.